And we're gonna do the lace braid today, which start out, you can do 3. You can start simple, and then you can add more strands if you would like, more sections. But we'll start here. My cousin requested this style, so you can start wherever you want. My daughter here actually wanted to part like this today, so that's where we're gonna start. You take a section from the top, put it into 3 strands. Whoop, not 4. Getting them equal can be a challenge. So go from the hairline and go in, just like normal 3 strand. So then go to the hairline and pull it in, and then you start grabbing, but you only grab from the hairline side. Oh, and if you have bangs, I would recommend starting behind the bangs so that you still have your softening around your face that you like. My daughter doesn't have bangs, so we're starting from the hairline. Another thing you want to do when you're doing hair, especially if it's a braid, to keep it from getting all those big, huge, like, I like to call them ribs because they kind of look like that. So if you do your hair back here or up away from the hair, if you're doing it up here and you're doing it away from the hair, when you come back to it, it's going to be really loose and you get those, what can be a cool effect if that's what you're wanting, but it makes it really, really loose and hard to control sometimes. It likes to fall out easier. This is a really cool style. It's so versatile. You can do it so many different ways. You can even go all the way around the head if you want. My cousin wanted to just go across and then down, so we'll stop there, but you can just keep going if you would like to. If you'd like to show us, if you would like me to demonstrate one where I go all the way around to the head, just let me know. If you want to, you can start floofing now, which is another word I like to use. A lot of people use it as pancaking. So you go from the bottom, just a little piece from the bottom, and you pull up. Go from the bottom and pull up. And if you do it while you're doing the braid, it keeps it from getting too loose from the head. You can have it nice and full looking, but still be tight, if that makes sense. And there we go. We have a beautiful lace braid. Thank you very much, Shelly Shimmer, for recommending me to demonstrate this. It was a lot of fun. And it's so pretty, very romantic, and yet it keeps your hair out of your face. I hope you liked this video. If you want to see other ones, just let me know. I would be very happy to show them to you. You can like, comment, and subscribe, and click the little bell, and you'll be able to notify when it comes up. I'll try to get them up every week, but you know, life happens, so I will try. And yeah, so keep practicing. This is a very fun, beautiful braid, very versatile, and have fun. Keep practicing. I'll see you later. Bye.